Hello, I'm Joe, and welcome to another video from my channel, JPI Fishing. It's May 4th, 2024, and I'm getting an early start on a cloudy, overcast day. I'm back at the Stiffs Mill Pond on the Shiawassee River in Holly, Michigan. This was one of my favorite places to fish last year because the fishing was so good. Today, I'm hoping to try something a little different. Several people have told me about two deep holes about 1.5 miles upriver where supposedly nice fish hang out. My plan today is to fish my way up to those holes before the weeds take over the river and find out for myself if the fish are there. The first stop on this journey is a tunnel underneath some railroad tracks where I usually have good luck. The last two times I tried this year, hooked onto a pike and he got off both times. So let's see if we can have a little bit better luck today. Oh, up. Okay, guy, are you down here? That was a nice cast. Nope. Dang it. Where are you, buddy? Ooh, 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 yes! Oh, yeah! Yeah. I love it! That's a bass. Yes! Oh, that's a nice one, too. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! I love it when they jump out. Yay! Yay! Ooh, that's a nice bass. I'm gonna have to weigh him. Let's see what we got going on here, buddy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a healthy bass. That's got to be at least a 2-pounder. That's got to be at least a 2-pound bass. That's a nice bass. Yeah. 2.5. 2.5, almost exactly. Haha. Yeah. All right, man. Nice bass. Liking this dude. 2.5-pounder. Excellent way to start off the year. Ready to go back in the water, my friend? Huh? That's it. See you later. All right. Thank you. I pushed on through the tunnel, fishing my way further upriver. I did have some luck over here last year. I should try it again before the weeds all get too bad. Oh yeah, come here, buddy. Oh yeah. I love it. Come here. Oh yeah. Oh, come here. Another bass. Good. Whoa. Another nice one. Yay. Oh, that's cool, man. I caught one over here last year. About the same spot. Same time of year. All right, dude. Ooh. Wow, man, you have been beat up by somebody. Yeah, nice little bass. Man, looks like some pike had him in a mouth or something in his mouth. All right, little buddy, ready to go back in the water? There you go. There he goes. All right, see you later, dude. Thank you. Well, at this point, I was about halfway to the holes, so I continued to push on. Finally, I reached the entrance to the 2 holes. Well, there should be 2 of them. I fished in the first hole for about 15 minutes. I didn't get any bites, so I headed over to the second hole, which was larger. It turned into a beautiful morning. The sun came out, birds were chirping. It was relatively calm, peaceful, serene. And then,
oh my God, right there! Oh no! Oh, that was a big pike! Oh my God! Oh, 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 oh my Lord! Oh, all right. I know where I'm fishing for a little while. Dude, man, you were so close.
I don't know what is going on, but so far this year, every single pike strike has been right next to the yak. I fished in those 2 holes for another hour or so, and then fished my way back and didn't get any more bites. It was a tough day. But overall, I was pretty happy with the 2 bass and the really exciting pike miss. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing or clicking the like button, and thank you for watching.